Ano nga ba ang nangyari sa first Scarborough Shoal lately? Can you tell us, sir, yung detalye, bakit sinasabi natin na sumusobra na sila sa ginagawa nila?
Actually, kung titingnan natin yung history nito, nagkaroon tayo ng standoff nung nakaraan, no? When we sent a Philippine Navy ship to accost some of the Chinese in that area dahil gumaang illegal yung ginagawa nila
Sa Baho de Masinloc.
sa Baho de Masinloc. So they, in response, they sent also a Navy ship at nagkaroon ng standoff. We now would like to prevent yung mga ganong occurrences. So ang nangyari was that we left the area expecting them to leave also. Hindi na nila iniwan. No? So parang inangkin na nila yung Baho de Masinloc. But if you look at the map, yung Baho de Masinloc or Scarborough Shoal is only about 120 nautical miles away from the nearest shoreline ng Pilipinas. Whereas sa kanila, it is 475 nautical miles away from the nearest shoreline ng China. Talagang kung titignan mo, dapat sa atin ito, no? And in fact, it is inside our 200 nautical mile exclusive economic zone. So talagang dapat tayo'y nangingisda dyan. Pero ngayon, ang ginawa nila ay kinokontrol nila. And recently, naglatag sila nitong mga boya, no? A barrier of buoys. Hindi makapasok yung mga mangingisda natin. And this is illegal, no? This is not according to international rules. In fact, it provides a hazard, yung sinasabi nilang maritime hazard. Delikado. Because if you run through that, pwede masira yung
Pala mo, pala ng barko.
ng barko. And so ang ginawa natin, no, sa utos ng ating Pangulo, pinutol natin ito. Tinanggal natin.
Sir, just to be clear, meron ba talaga silang pagbabawal na mangisda ang ating mga mangingisda sa lugar na ito?
Yes, very clear. Pagka dumarating yung mga mangingisda natin, itinataboy nila. Pag dumarating yung Coast Guard natin or even Navy ship, no, sina-challenge tayo. Sinasabi nila, get out of Chinese territory.
So what happened lately?
So,
Yung
Navy,
Philippine Navy,
okay,
yung Philippine Navy
Navy,
natin, ang kaengkwentro
our
nila.
Philippine Navy was doing its routine maritime patrol. So, it's normal because it is within our right, no, to do that. So, umaandar siya, dumadaan siya sa Scarborough Shoal. At ito ngayon yung Chinese ship,
Chinese Navy.
Chinese Navy, no? So, Navy to Navy na naman. So, china-challenge tayo. Nag-challenge rin tayo sa kanila. Sina-challenge rin natin sila na sinasabi natin that we are performing a routinary maritime patrol mission. Do not block our path.
Magandang gabi, Pilipinas!